Yeah, Mark and Aaron, this really goes to show how quickly things can change. I want to go ahead and show you this map to kind of put things in perspective. Just yesterday, the CDC came out with their mask guidance. Counties with substantial or high levels of community transmission, they were advised to wear masks indoors. But yesterday, not one county in Connecticut met that requirement. All of us were in the blue and yellow categories. But today, 24 hours later, New London and Hartford do meet these requirements.
Confirmed coronavirus cases in Connecticut are on the rise. The daily positivity rate is nearing 3%, and today the CDC says there's a substantial level of community spread in New London and Hartford counties. This means masks should be worn indoors, no matter if you're vaccinated or not.
I know that's a tough pill for a lot of people to swallow, and it certainly makes me, as a public health professional, a bit anxious and uneasy about things.
We asked Professor Anthony Santella from the University of New Haven's Health Administration and Policy Department how life should change if you live in these counties.
I think everyone should, again, err on the side of caution, go back to those things we were so used to doing last year in terms of, monitoring our health, wearing masks, hand hygiene.
While the recommendations are coming from the CDC, it's going to be up to local leaders to implement and enforce them. But so far, there's been no action on the city or state level.
A lot of places of employment, soon schools, including colleges and universities, are waiting for that guidance. The CDC can make a recommendation all they want, but until that's operationalized at the state and local level, it really doesn't mean much.
Even though our case count is trending in the wrong direction, with a 63% vaccination rate in our state, there's no indication things will ever go back to the strict lockdowns that we saw more than a year ago. The advice tonight is to be vigilant.
I hate to say, take a few steps back, but that's where we are right now. And until more people get vaccinated, this is going to be our life.
Now, we did reach out to Mayor Bronin for a statement on the CDC's guidance. We did not hear back. Meanwhile, we're also trying to obtain data from the state to kind of show you the disparity in the cases between the vaccinated and unvaccinated populations. That's the latest. Live here at City Hall. Matthew Campbell, Channel 13 News.
Matthew, thank you very much. Now, just a reminder to make